The man who changed Assam forever, the untold story of Srimanta Sankardeva. One man, one vision, a revolution that shaped Assam's identity. 600 years ago, Assam witnessed a legend, a saint, a poet, a reformer, Srimanta Sankardeva. But what made him the man who transformed an entire civilization? Born in 1449, Sankardeva wasn't just a spiritual leader. He was a visionary who dared to break social barriers, who united people with the power of bhakti, pure devotion. He gave Assam Satriya dance, a classical art form. He introduced namgars, places where all were equal, breaking caste and class divisions. He composed soul-stirring borgits, melodies that still echo in the hearts of millions. At a time when society was divided, he preached unity. When rituals overshadowed spirituality, he brought Eksaran Nam Dharma, a path of devotion through love, not blind customs. Even today, his legacy lives on. In Assam's culture, traditions, and faith. Without him, Assam wouldn't be what it is today. Yet, how many know his real story? Subscribe now for more incredible stories from Assam, the saint who defined Assam.